Hello,
I'm Fernanda Luna.
and I'm Daniela Luna.
And I'm in third semester in International Business.
I'm in third semester in law,
Both
in Universidad de Guanajuato.
And we are
So happy to say thank you
your donation are happy.
to achieve our life project. Bye bye!
They helped me follow my dreams and my professional career. Thank you very much for your help. I am very grateful and humble. I promise that I take advantage of it. Thank you.
Your generosity is transforming lives in Mexico.
Your donations are helping me to be the biotechnological engineer that I dreamed. I will always be grateful to you.
My family and I were blessed with your support and solidarity.
Thank you so much for your support and this opportunity for me to continue to finish my studies. Also, I want to thank Jóvenes Adelante for all the support, for my mentor, and also for all these workshops that help me to grow as professional, as a person, and also to learn so many things. Also, I wanna tell you that I'm already working at Carrier Corporation in Monterrey, where I'm right now, and I have no words to explain how grateful I am with you, because I feel that without this support, without this opportunity, I wouldn't be able to finish my studies.
Being part of Jóvenes Adelante is just something amazing, something that changes your life completely. They give you not only financial support, they also give you psychology support. Every student has a mentor who will be guiding you from all your career. Every time that you have a problem, they are persons that will help you to solve it. Being part of Jóvenes Adelante is to have a new family, to know new friends, to be part of teams with the ones that you can create new projects to help your community. And I'm working in 2 NGOs here in San Miguel de Allende. One of them is Hospice Care and the other one is Rotary Club International.